Hello everyone, in front of me is Motorola Moto G32 and let me show you how to add or remove Google account to this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select accounts over here, password and accounts, and click on add account. Select the account that you wish to add, so we are talking about Google account, let's leave it this way. And now provide email address or phone number. So in my case, the account is connected with email address. Let me provide it. And click on next. Now enter your password. So make sure you let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. Then decide if this device is yours or if it belongs to your kid. Click on next, tap on I agree. Click on accept. And that's it. As you can see, the account has been added. Now you can mark it again, and once you want to remove your account, select remove account and confirm it by tapping on remove account. Then you have to confirm it either by your fingerprint or with the pattern. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.